This kaupapa is my dream job. It's about looking after papa tuanuku and leaving a positive kaupapa behind for my babies and their babies. And this mahi makes me feel Māori every day. I love it.
Kia ora tātou katoa I te atanena. Tēnei te mihi atu ki a tātou kotai mai I te atanena.
Our goal is to protect and preserve our taiao for the next generation, for future generations. We work with local marae, local whānau to employ our people to do mahi along the river, but also deliver that mahi through tikanga marae, tikanga Māori, and a learning journey along the way. We can see that our river is paru and dirty, and so that's the key pollutant that we're targeting through growing trees and planting them, is to hold our whenua in place so our awa doesn't get choked up.
Land's sick, people are sick. The only thing that we can do is help fix it, be doctors, be kaitiaki.
Acting as kaitiaki within our families first, and instilling that if we can be kaitiaki at home, we can be kaitiaki on our whenua.
This is what kaitiakitanga is about. It's looking after our tupuna awa, it's looking after our whenua, it's being at our marae, it's looking after our tikanga marae, you know, and all those things are good for the kids. It's fulfilling knowing that we're doing something for our awa. It's like working for something that's bigger than yourself.
We know we can grow more trees, but we need more leaders so we can have more project teams, and then we can take on more projects. So this cadetship is just perfect for us.
One of our cadets is leading one of the teams. He's never wanted to step up to that. He's been with us since the start. He's planted the most trees here. He's always been sort of like a, you know, a cruiser. But then from doing the cadetship course, that gave him confidence to then take on that responsibility of leading a team out in the field.
This experience has changed my life because it pretty much showed me how to be a leader and given me full-on confidence, especially when I know my boss believes in me and everyone else believes in me too.
That's why I think it's life-changing for me, because it's changed my mindset a lot. I look around and I see trees, I see waterways that need help, I see drains that aren't fenced off. I guess it's just opened my eyes up to te ao.